Welcome back to our new fans. Today we are going to talk about aeroplane mode setting in Vivo phone. How to on and guys how to use it in Vivo phone. We will talk about it. So before starting with the fans, I want to tell you if you're new in my channel and you are watching it the first time. So first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start video. First of all guys, you will have to on your phone setting. Guys, in this video guys I will show you how to on aeroplane mode from phone setting. Guys, you want to on your aeroplane mode from phone setting, so guys how to on it. So guys, after guys you will have to click on this connection and sharing option guys. Then guys, first guys you can see aeroplane mode guys. After on guys you can see aeroplane mode. And guys, how it's work guys, you want to watch movie and you don't need, and guys you want nobody want to disturb you, so guys nobody will disturb you, nobody can call you, and guys no, and guys you also cannot call anyone. Guys, you can use only your phone, your videos which you have download. So I think friends you have understood how to on aeroplane mode from phone setting in Oppo phone and how to use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel.